Hello friends, today I, Kairav, will provide you the solutions of Chapter 1 Maths Exercise 1.1. So, question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. A part. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Temperature of Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty 14 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru 22 degrees Celsius. Question number 1, B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Hottest place is equal to Bengaluru. Bengaluru's temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Coldest place, Lahul Spiti is the coldest place and its temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. So 22 minus -8 degrees Celsius minus plus 22 plus 8 30 degrees Celsius. Question 1 part C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to -8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is equal to -2 degrees Celsius. So the equation is -8 minus -2 minus plus is equal to -8 plus 2. So we will minus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and sign of the greater value, that is 8. So the sign of 8 is minus. So the answer is -6 degrees Celsius. Question 1 part D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The answer is temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is equal to -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. That is Srinagar temperature -2 degrees Celsius and Shimla's temperature plus 5 degrees Celsius. Plus minus and sign of greater value plus is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Answer. The temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Next answer is the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is more than the temperature at Srinagar. Now question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So the answer is marks scored by Jack in 5 rounds: 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Total marks by Jack, the equation is 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. then 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. 10 plus 25, answer is equal to 35 marks. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Temperature on Monday was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday dropped by 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. Answer: temperature on Tuesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now, second question in this question, temperature of Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius, temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Answer is temperature on Wednesday was minus 3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meters above the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So the answer is height of plane above sea water is equal to 5,000 meters. Height of submarine underwater is equal to 1,200 meters is equal to, we will plus the distance between the both. 5,000 plus 1,200 is equal to 6,200 meters. Now question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. If the withdrawal of money from an account is represented by a negative integer, so the money deposited in an account will be represented by a positive integer. So the money in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is 2,000 minus 1,642 is equal to rupees 358. So the money in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is rupees 358. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? The distance covered by Rita towards east is represented by a positive integer, then the distance covered towards west will be represented by a negative integer. Finally, Rita moved 10 km towards west from her final position A. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. In this, we have two magic squares. This one is our first magic square. When we do vertically, 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0. When we vertical, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3, it is also 0. Next, minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3, it is also 0. Horizontally, 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4, it is also 0. Horizontal is equal to minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 0. Horizontally, 0 plus 3 plus minus 3, 3 plus minus 3. So plus minus minus, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now diagonally, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, it is also 0. Now last diagonal, minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 6. So it is not a magic square because it's all rows, columns and diagonals do not have the same sum. Now second, this is our magic square second one. Now this vertically, 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6, this is minus 9. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4, it is also minus 9. Vertically, 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7, it is also minus 9. Horizontally, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0, it is also minus 9. Horizontally, minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Horizontal, minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7, it is also minus 9. Now diagonally, diagonal, 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 9. Last diagonally, 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6, it is also minus 9. So it's all rows, columns and diagonals have the same sum. So it is a magic square. Now question number 8. Verify A minus minus B is equal to A plus B for the following values of A and B. First, A is equal to 21, B is equal to 18. So 21 minus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18. We will use the formula which is given in the question. A minus minus B, that is equal to A plus B. Second, A is equal to 118, comma B is equal to 125 is equal to 118 minus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125. Third one, A is equal to 75, B is equal to 84 is equal to 75 minus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. Fourth, A is equal to 28, comma B is equal to 11 is equal to 28 minus 11 is equal to 28 plus 11. Question number 9. Use the sign of put the greater or equal to in the box to make the statements true. A part, minus 8 plus minus 4 dash. On the other side, minus 8 minus 4. So on the first side, we will calculate that it is minus 12, and on the other side the sum will be minus 4. So the second one is greater. B part, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 dash. On other side, 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So when we will calculate, the sum on first side will be minus 14, and on another side it will be 2. So the second one is also greater. C part, 23 minus 41 plus 11 dash. On other side, 23 minus 41 minus 11. So the sum of first one is 7 and of another it is 29. Now also the second one is greater. Now D part, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 and 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So is equal to, on first side the sum is equal to 0, and on another side the sum will be minus 22. So 0 is greater than minus 22. E part, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 dash. On another side, minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. The calculation of first one will be minus 101 and second will be 159. So 101 is greater than 159. Question number 10. A water tank has steps. Inside it, a monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. First, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? The answer is, monkey is at step 1. In first jump, he reaches 1 plus 3, that is the 4th step. In second jump, 4 minus 2, second step. Third jump, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5th step. Fourth jump, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3rd step. In fifth jump, 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6th step. Sixth jump, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4th step. In 7th jump, he will be on 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7th step. 8th jump, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5th step. In 9th jump, he will be at 5 plus 3 is equal to 8th step. In 10th jump, he will be at 8 minus 2 is equal to 6th step. At 11th jump, he will be finally at the 9th step. Hence, we noticed that in 11 jumps, the monkey reached at step 9, that is the water level. B part, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Now monkey is at step 9. In first jump 9 minus 4, he reaches the 5th step. In second jump, he reaches 5 plus 2, that is the 7th step. In third jump, he reaches 7 minus 4, that is the 3rd step. In fourth jump, he will reach 3 plus 2, that is at the 5th step. In 5th jump, he will reach 5 minus 4, that is the 1st step. Hence, monkey reached the top step in 5 jumps. Now, part C of question number 10. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So, what will the sum 8 in B represent? So, the answer is minus 3 plus 2 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 minus 3 is equal to minus 8. And for second, 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 8. So, in B and the sum 8 represents going up by 8 steps. Thank you.